Alright, quick body update. Finally got the truck back. All new panels and whatnot. No more chewed edges. Yeah. It's back. We gotta do a lot more work. Remember, that used to be a hole to the floor. Edges ain't chewed. Still need some new lights though. But I ain't worried about that. Got a panel back now. Finally. Oh yeah, you already know. It's always something happening. But no more to the floor. You know, he did all that. Us today, doing some ignition coil upgrades, booster can, all that fun stuff. Got my panel back. You see, he did his work. Even spraying it down the paint. The old paint, he knocked that off. He sandblasted it for me. And he coated the frame. It's real light because I'm gonna do Durback on the undercarriage. I might make it a high gloss black. Trying to offset the matte black on the paint. But yeah, he did it. He did that. Remember, we had big gouges in the doors. None of that. It's back looking like something. I did a little bit of Durback on the floor. I ain't doing carpet. This is a lizard skin over here. So I'm gonna make it all high gloss. But yeah. Bottom of the doors. He did that. It's looking good. Like I said, he did coat the frame for me real lightly. We didn't want to go too crazy because I told him I was going to put something else over the top. But it was enough to hold his work, Where'd my flash go? My flash on? Yeah, there it go. I'm going to redo this again, fix it up some. Still got the bondos in the corner, so I'm going to come behind him with some things. It's better. No more chewed edges. This is all new metal. I think I got it from LMC Parts or Brothers, combination of both for the whole panel. Yeah, no more big gouges in the back. This little one, but I think somebody probably hit me already. Got the trim, got the door trim. I still finally got the bottom of a door again. Yeah, it's looking good. I poured spilled gas. You know how that go, all the fun times. But he did his work. Took him longer. He had some. I think he was working on like a 1929 Ford or something. So it took him a while to get to the truck because I was in no rush neither. So it worked out in our favor. Good panels. Remember, we used to have a big pocket in the door, and it was like almost I'm about to say a 1/4 inch of bondo and stucco. They just threw all on the door. But we back now. That's starting to rust because I got to reseal the doors again, but it is a lot better. New engine mounts. Yup, we back, we winning. Underneath the door, I'm gonna go back behind him because I gotta seal these doors up. Yeah, there we go. Like I said, that's rain coming out because I'm gonna take it out. Gotta fix the door though. He broke the knob that come out, so I'm gonna fix that. Floors are good. This back mount was always good. That was the only decent one to start with.